Hey guys, I'm here with no one.
Yes, she is.
I'm here with my sister. She doesn't play Minecraft on the computer because she doesn't have a computer yet.
I play Minecraft on the iPad.
Yeah, iPad sucks.
No, it doesn't. I just learned how to grow potatoes.
Just now. Let's not talk about this because we're in a freaking video. So I'll pause the video because we're gonna play some survival games. Ooh. Yawn. It's like it's only 7:15. I'm still sleepy. So I'll pause the video and I'll see if I can get into one. Be right back, guys. Guys, I'm back and I found one, and we're probably gonna head for that chest. I'm feeling lucky. But I don't want everybody else to take this armor now. Well, Ghost gets down the freaking. Oh my gosh, my voice is not being awesome today. Not for yelling. It's Shatter Kingdom, like every YouTuber plays on it. Oh wow, welcome. Dang. Listen good.
Maybe you can team up.
I can't. I don't have the sword, or even a wooden sword.
You can use your arrow, can't you?
Not to block or anything. I can't.
Then crouch.
That doesn't help either. It doesn't help with the fact that we're gonna
Look in
die.
any of the chests.
Probably just food left over. And feathers. Yeah, just right click with the freaking armor and it goes on me.
Is that a lucky bone?
I guess so. You can't block with it. Can't block with things, only swords. Suck. Suck
You
butt.
should have went down the stairs, not just.
I don't care. I don't care about it. I don't care.
Because sometimes we have no minds at all.
Well, thanks about that. That's rude. Got more bones.
Yay, 2 lucky bones!
2.
One, probably it's not gonna be anything because the door's open.
Oh, I know where to go. Nobody goes over here anymore. It's a nice loot place, too.
Don't forget about the snow.
You mean the frost?
You mean the frost.
Yeah.
No, don't hurt me.
Well, I just did.
Ugh.
Killed by water. Oh my gosh.
I think the water's poisonous.
Compass. And food. You want to... Mr. Bean. Come on, move. What?
You just click on it, I think.
Can't do anything with it.
It's okay.
I'll go into the house. I don't think anybody's went into the house. No? Weird. Oh, wow. Still. I can eat that still. It just doesn't hurt me. It just gives me more hunger, but...
Oh, there you go, booties.
Cookies.
Fashion boots.
Got some lingerie. No, it's not lingerie. Lingerie is, chain. Chain armor. Okay.
Oh, at least you got sword.
Not block. Gold helmet, like a boss.
You don't always have to say it like a boss.
Well, it isn't like a boss then. Getting gold stuff is actually like a boss. Because if you don't have any, what is it called? What is it called? Any other thing? It's good. It's better.
The thing is,
Which? I don't need those boots.
you can get some more. I dare you to go a little bit of fishing.
don't think so. I don't think you catch fish. I just think you just... Oh, oh, he's far away from me. Yeah.
Wait. No. Should I just be quiet for a little bit?
Yes, you should be quiet. So basically, we're just gonna go to the supply drop. I don't care what you say, Jody. I think I can survive. Well, thanks for the support.
Hey, cookies are worthless.
Oh no, they only do half. Oh my god. No one's been in that one either. Let's not worry about them. We're turning a fly in the supply drop. Over here? No. I think there's a team. That's why I kept showing two people at once. Yeah, there's a team.
Maybe you should try to team up with them and then double team. Yes.
No, it'd be a triple team actually. Iron sword, iron sword, iron
You
sword.
have one that you should.
No, I don't. That was in the video.
Oh.
Yeah. I mean, I'm ready for a fight. I think I'm ready. It's just I'm not all the way healed up. Oh! It's only just half. I know it does. Crap. Someone just followed me.
Try to team up.
Nope. They're not on the friendly side, obviously. They're not gonna really get out of me, get anything from me.
But who would kill a girl?
You don't know if it's a girl or not.
There's iron up there, but.
How do you know there's iron up there?
Then I just left off your screen. I'm going to go upstairs really quickly and get that.
Oh, this sucks. What do you mean?
Then you know he's ready.
Yeah, true. Thank you guys for watching then, because the person is selfish and killed me. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, peoples.
Bye, peoples. My sister says.
Kiss my butt.
Yeah.